Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the slim filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in hot. So it might be a little different for you because I'm using TikTok Indonesia. So here in hot, slide up and remove this image. This is the filter. Select this one and you got the filter. Let me show you some example. So this is without filter. This is with filter. Without filter. With filter. Without filter. With filter. And if you are not finding the filter here, what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for slim filter, and here select the first one, slim filter, and here you will see the videos with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, so now you are in the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use this effect. Okay, and still if you are not finding this effect, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button, and from here also you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.